Yeah, I think one of the main differences that Lumension offers the market that really no one else does is the ability to be more proactive at the endpoint. And we're not all about being a reactive technology, antivirus, anti-spam. While those are deployed widely, they're even some of the larger vendors in that space have come out and said that it's not as effective as it should be. And so we've invested a lot of time and money in creating a proactive technology that goes out and looks at the endpoint, what's operating in that environment, and approving things that you're okay with in your network, that you're approving for use, and denying everything else by default. So, really looking at it from a proactive approach, and saving cost, time, and money without, as opposed to chasing the threat down and trying to anticipate the next advanced persistent threat. Yeah, absolutely. The GTRA event has been we've actually increased our investment this year in GTRA. We find that the boardroom meetings are very good. Not everybody identifies with what we do, but that's okay. We do get a good percentage that are interested in our technology, and it's a chance to really have a heart-to-heart discussion and kind of cut to the chase, really. 35 minutes gives you enough time to kind of say, here's what we do. Is that in your scope? Is it something that's interesting for you? And we've got quite a few good leads from this conference, and we plan to continue to invest in the future.
Yeah, and I would say that the boardroom meetings, it's not a sales call, it's a partnership, right? So that's what we've seen with each boardroom meeting. It's basically government's telling us, hey, this is what can help us. We're basically saying, this is what we have, what do we need to do to improve? So again, we've had great contacts where it's like, wow, you've got some technology that can help us right now. You've got cool technology that is emerging where we want to go as well. So again, boardroom meetings have been very productive. I've had folks come to me even afterwards kind of saying, hey, I just heard, such and such speak about this topic, and now it even makes more sense about what you guys are providing.
We've got several projects going on in a variety of different DoD and civilian agencies. I think one of our main focuses right now is really the continuous monitoring play. We have a capability that is a very good fit for that FISMA mandate in gaining enterprise visibility into the network and understanding through a simple dashboard what the security status is, what the compliance status is, and really your overall risk posture. I'll take this one, Ben. I think that one of the best ones was Bob Reese from DOE, Department of Energy. Over lunchtime, he talked about kind of reinvigorating the DOE headquarters and getting buy-in from the field and getting everybody focused on what they're supposed to be doing. That department has had some very big challenges over the last couple of years with a lot of their leadership going to other opportunities. And I think Bob and Mike have come in and done a very nice job to really put things back on track. And like you said, there's the mission is you have to have a vision, you have to have leadership, and there's got to be a commitment all the way up and down the organization to be successful.
For me, I want to see better collaboration between industry and government. As you have more of these events, that trust factor gets there. It's one of the Lumension kind of ideologies is, trust-centric. It's the same thing as being partnered. We have a partnership, so, our product can only be as good as our customer base gives us feedback, right? I mean, we're trying to do right, and again, we're all citizens, so we're trying to make sure that the government's definitely safe. And for me, like to see kind of that movement and that process continue.
It's a great event. It's a nice location. It's a captive audience. The event is very well run. Everything is very smooth. The whole GTRA organization does good prep and good preparation and pulls off the event very well. I like the level of people that they're bringing in, people that have some authority and decision-making ability and some budget, which is obviously why we're here. We're trying to partner with these people and show them our technology, and this is a great venue to do that.
Excellent, excellent. Is there anything else you guys might want to mention? Or?
Well, I would say, I've been to a lot of events for government, and yeah, this is definitely one of the best that I've been to. Just it seems that the government folks want to actually be here. I heard folks say, I've come back. I've been to other events where the guys are scurrying off after they either present, et cetera, and folks have been very open here, trying to, again, do the collaboration piece and kind of tell industry, this is where we want to go. This is what we know industry has to offer. And I heard one speaker say, to not even set your sights of where you think you want to go, let's set the sights even higher. When he was talking about, United States going up to the moon, right? It's like that. So to me, that's what I see with this event in particular. I think it's been run very smooth, very efficient, on time. Like I said, I've been to other events where things are lacking. You get the list and the quality isn't there that you see on that initial list, and I haven't seen that. So very well done.